Hello, MSTHS students. Dr. Crozier here. I'm just going to show you quickly how to complete the course substitution request form, which is something you're required to do if you're taking any classes that are not officially listed as pre-approved on our program's website. If you're not sure, just ask me and I can let you know. But this is also a form that when you submit it, you have to let me know that you submitted it so I can go into the system and approve it. Otherwise, it'll just sit there. I don't get any notifications unless I happen to randomly search. So to show you this form, I'll zoom in a little bit. I've pre-filled out most of the sections, and you simply need to provide your information by putting your last name, then your first name, your student ID, and your email. All right, those 4 pieces of information. Next, you need the course code. So for example, if you were taking a nursing course that's not pre-approved, you put NURS-8, whatever the course code is, and the title of the course. You do not need to put what you are substituting for. So I put NA not applicable here, or the title of the course. Your substituting form, again, not applicable. It's just a course substitution. You don't have to do this. This is a drop-down menu I've already put in. Currently, I'm creating this video for the fall 2025 semesters, but just change this to whatever applies when you're taking the course, and this is at University of Windsor. So you don't have to change any of this. This should all be up to date. I've also provided the rationale for why this course should receive graduate credit, so you don't have to put anything in this section. So don't change anything that I've already pre-filled in. And finally, I've checked off the appropriate boxes. What you want to look to is in this middle section where it gives you instructions for how to submit this form and how to attach it. So you log into UWinsight, go to Research Tracking, then Service Requests, create a new service request, Program Activities, then Course Substitution Request, and choose Program. Now, our program, THS, doesn't appear there, but Biomedical Sciences does appear there. So choose Biomedical Sciences for the program. And then you add this form. All right? At the bottom, just make sure that you've added your signature and the date. I have pre-signed this, and I've dated it currently for this semester. If you're looking at this video in a future semester, the date would change, but make sure that the date is somewhere around the start of the semester or before, slightly before, not, a full semester before or something like that. I try to update this every semester. In any case, those are the instructions, but please just notify me once you've added the attachment and you've uploaded it so I can go into the system shortly thereafter and approve it. Thank you very much.